Hello everyone. So today we are going to see thread priorities in Java. So every thread in a Java has some priority. It may be default priority generated by JVM or customized provided by the program. So the value range of thread priority is 1 to 10, and in this 1 is a minimum priority and 10 is a maximum priority. Thread class defines the following constant to represent some standard priorities, such as thread.min priority it will give 1, thread.non priority it will give 5, thread.max priority it will give 10. So let us see the example of this. So let me copy this, and here I will go to the Eclipse, and in this we'll try to print here. So here we can see, so default priority is 5, so here we will get 5, thread dot current thread dot get priority. Then what is the minimum priority? 1. What is the maximum? 10. And what is the normal priority? 5. So by using this we can print minimum, maximum and normal priority of thread. And here this is a method, thread dot current thread dot get priority. So this will give us the current thread priority. So in this case the current thread is main thread, so main thread priority is 5. So let's execute this, control F11, run as Java application. Okay, and you can see main thread priority is 5, max priority is 1, min is, oh here what happened, here by mistake I gave max we have to give, and here minimum priority. Let's save this, control F11, run as Java application. Okay, here you can see minimum priority is 1, max is 10, normal is 5, and main thread priority, that is default, is 5. So above 10 and below 1 priorities are invalid. So 0 is invalid priority, 1 is valid, 10 is also valid. So the thread scheduler will use this priority while allocating the processor. The thread which is having the highest priority will get the chance first. So if two threads having the same priority, then we can't accept exact execution of order in which it depends on the thread scheduler. So if the two threads are having same priority, then we can't accept which thread will execute first. That will be depend on thread scheduler. So thread class defines the following methods to get and set the priority of the thread. First one is the get priority, next is set priority. So priority values is allowed in only between 1 to 10. If we try to set priority above 10 or below 1, then we'll get exception, illegal argument exception. So let us see the example for this. Go to the Eclipse and let me delete this. So now here we can see main thread priority, thread dot current thread dot get priority, it will give us 5. Then we are setting the priority. So how to set? Thread dot current thread dot set priority, and here we have to give number. Now again printing the main thread priority, thread dot current thread dot get priority. If we try to set value above 10, then it will throw illegal argument exception. So let me comment this, let's save this, control F11, Java application, and here we can see main thread priority is 5 and here 6. Here let me print this also. Let's save, control F11, Java, and you can see 6. Earlier it was 5, next is 6. Why? Because we updated here thread dot current thread dot set priority equal to 6. Now let me copy this and I will give here a 11. Let's save this. Now if I execute this Java application, here we can see illegal argument exception because this is not a valid priority. If I give here 0, let's save, Control F11, Java application, here you can see illegal argument exception. So priority should be in the 1 to 10. Then here is the same example. Here we are setting the priority. So the default priority of for main thread is 5, but for all remaining thread default priority will be inherited from the parent to child. That is all. Every priority parent thread has the same priority will be there for the child thread. So let's suppose we have parent and here child. So parent thread, child thread. So whatever priority parent thread have, same priority will be given to child. So let's see example for this. Let me copy this, go to the Eclipse and paste here. So here we are creating new thread by extending thread. So here new thread will be created. So here main thread is a parent thread and new thread is child thread. So whatever priority of main thread, that will be go to new thread. So what is default priority of main thread? 5. That will be go to the new thread 5. So let us see, Control F11, run as Java application. Here you can see main thread priority 5, child thread 6. Now if I change the priority of main thread and I will print here. So now we are changing the priority to 7. Now main thread priority will be 7. So new thread priority will also be 7. Let's save this, Control F11, run as Java application. Here we can see main thread priority and child thread priority are same. So by using set priority, we can set the priority of thread, and by using get priority, we can get the priority of thread. We can create thread by extending from thread class and overriding run method. So this is about priority of threads. So if you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.